Think your home is safe? Meet the Doberman Pinscher, the ultimate guard dog. This isn't just a beautiful dog. Dobermans are smart, alert, and fiercely loyal to their families. They learn commands quickly and can sense danger before you do. With speed and strength, they handle threats effectively. But proper training from an early age is key. A Doberman can protect your home like no other dog, combining intelligence, loyalty, and courage. Got a Doberman? Share your story below and hit subscribe for more tips on Top Guard dogs.